Okongwu Dibia, I saw your video. First and foremost, you get bugoduzo. Je bugodu infection. Onyeze Jesus, your brother, brought out the voice note ni bugodi. You get buzo gagbo apamuge, because looking at you, I know something is wrong. Something is wrong. You were 1 billion demons that is disturbing you. Your life abugudriyono. And when you hear a mail and you are just a wasted idiot. So Jpac giving you 500,000 to come and talk rubbish. I can understand your own is even you are dead already. Another one, Igagabuzo, Gapwaya and Nando, Egoyani Nizunu Noshi. You will first of all go and pay Ayaya Nando, Egoyani Ne Izunu Noshi before you come out to talk. Number 2, Ndana Boginike, because you are the first homo Iman and this blew up. And I'm allegedly. And I'm a Togo John. You are the first homo Ezobi Baranye. And when this blew up. So you only go digi. Okay, I'm that Ibu go Oria. You want to go? So Emanande homo ndene Bugari Oria easily through their e-kension. Because that place is very open. So when you look at the yoga, something is not right. So coming out to insult the Zion. So lecture again now. I shall give 200,000 get rejected. Somebody lecture again now. She will 200,000 get rejected. You guys are just useless. Okay, she put hey, Choma Jikora Zogo show, Choma Jikora, Choma Pochanago Boginine. You guys are lit on lies. Demon, no him gagawazu. Look at Onyeze Jesus one nigga woke. Cation the mother Joanna YouTube gonna watch. You know, Onyeze Jesus no gapopotaya. Because he's so the kidnapper that young man. If he know Onyeze Jesus, no, go and bring him out. Onyoshire la no one nigga. Idela no one nigga ten kobo. Because only billionaire castigate in him. Because all the bandoa. Ni boria ishege kwa bogena aka like this amugana another you because guys onye ji that voice note onye ze release with ya the kodo je nwura be na epu. Come on, go and rest. Ibegi poku ge poku. You are the bench of dropping. Look at betrayers. Owunu nine gina Jpac gaga me plan.
Drop your thoughts on the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section, share, comment, subscribe on this channel. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.